सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्लोका नंबर 17. 17 means in the book it is 18. Okay, last class I have told you. साधनान्यत्र चत्वारि कथितानि मनीषिभिः येषु सत्त्वेव सन्निष्ठा यदभावेन सिद्ध्यति। विवेकिनो विरक्तस्य शमादिगुणशालिनः मुमुक्षोरेव हि ब्रह्म मुमुक्षोरेव हि ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा योग्यता मता। 18th sloka we have taken it as 17. Now Shankaracharya going to deal with the qualifications required to get self-knowledge. So Shankaracharya started the text by telling that the significance of human birth, the glory of human birth, one has to understand this human birth we got because of great punya. Whoever understands the value of this human birth, such a person alone is making use of this human birth totally. Whoever understands the goal of human life, such a person alone is getting the advantage of this human birth totally. The goal of human life is to be free from all sorts of limitations and problems. One can live totally happy while living in this universe. It is possible. So Shastra comes and tells, live happily, live peacefully, live without sorrow. You need not suffer, you need not cry throughout your life. You have come here to enjoy the life, not to suffer. Shastra is addressing the person, the human being. That you have to understand. To understand that, you require some buddhi. You have to use your buddhi. Because Shastra telling you have to be free from sorrow, not that. Because Shastra telling that, I want to be free from sorrow. I don't want to be always under worry, tension. Since you are desiring to be free from guilt, to be free from sorrow, to be free from all limitations, worries, you are desiring, therefore, Shastra don't want anything. Since you are desiring eagerly, earnest desire is yours to be happy, I am here to give the way for you. That way is start intelligently thinking first. உனக்கு திங்க் பண்ண தெரியலையோ, நான் திங்க் பண்ண வைக்கிறேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூ டிசைர் அட்லீஸ்ட். நம்ப, யூ பிலீவ் இன் மீ. யூ வாண்ட் happiness. I am ready to give that happiness. You believe me, that's all. Who says? Veda tells. Veda tells you want happiness. I am ready to give that happiness. So you have to believe me. I give a program, a compact program I will give to you to get that happiness. And that program, if you want to understand that program, tentative program for to be free from sorrow. Tentative program. இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் படிக்கணும்னா எனக்கு இந்த குவாலிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் இருக்கணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அந்த ப்ரோக்ராமுக்கு என்டர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு யூ ரிக்வயர் சர்டன் குவாலிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபுல்ஃபில் தோஸ் குவாலிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ், acquire those qualifications and get this program, apply into your life, see that you are free from sorrow. Remedy. So what are those qualifications? If those qualifications are there, you are 100% guarantee you are going to get that wisdom. Free from sorrow is possible by getting wisdom, jnanam. You need not struggle for that. Just it is with you. Praptasya praptihi. உனக்கு எட்ட இருக்க அந்த ஆனந்த ஸ்வரூபம்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும், அவ்வளோதான். See, to know I have my grandparents' property and தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன கஷ்டப்படணும்? Just to know. You need not work, you need not earn, you need not struggle for that. One person comes and tells, and tomorrow onwards you need not work because you have lot of property of your ancestors. And சொன்னா எவ்வளவு சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. You need not go to office. You need not do salam to others, no? Hello சொல்ல வேண்டாம், டைமுக்கு ரன்னிங் கிடையாது. But one person comes and tells you have lot of treasure of your ancestors, just you know where it is, you will be happy. And your generation children are going to enjoy. என்ன சந்தோஷமா இருக்க பாருங்க. அது மாதிரி Veda tells you are seeking that happiness is with you. I am going to give that clue. If you get that happiness throughout your life, ஜென்மாஸ் அண்ட் ஜென்மாஸ் யூ ஆர் ஹாப்பின்னா தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டாமோ? இட் இஸ் அவர் ஜாப் டு ஆஸ்க், என்கொயர். Those qualifications I require. Sadhanani atra chatvari. To get that program, that compact program of wisdom, chatvari sadhanani. 4 sadhanas are required. The 18th sloka you see. Kadhitani manishibhihi. The wise people says, kadhitani means said by the wise people. Manishibhihi. Manishibhihi means thinking people. Thinking people. Yesha satsveva sannishtha. That wisdom, sannishtha means satnishtha. Sat means truth. Nishtha means establishing the mind in that truth is called sannishtha. That sannishtha is possible yat satsu, yat adhikaram. That chatvari sadhanas if I have, this is possible. If those qualifications are not there, this is not possible. This sannishtha na siddhyati. It is not possible. What are those qualifications? In the 17th verse it has been pointed out. Vivekaha. Virakta and Vairagyam. Shamadhi Guna Shalinaha. The one The person who wants that wisdom, he must have the viveka, discrimination. I need not explain. Shankaracharya only going to explain. Okay? Viveka, discrimination, he must have. Therefore, vivekinaha, viraktasya, dispassion, vairagyam, and shama adi gunashalinaha. Shalinaha means endowed with shama, mind control, etc. Adi means etc. gunas. Mumukshutvam, mumukshoho. Now, in the desire for moksha, these are all called Brahma Jignasa, Yogyata Mata. And the Brahma Jignasam and the desire for Brahma Jnanam is possible when you have Viveka, when you have discrimination, dispassion, discipline and desire. What is that? First one, Viveka. What is that discrimination? What is that dispassion? What is that discipline? What is that desire? Shankaracharya is going to clearly describing in the next verse onwards. We'll read that 19th sloka. Adau nitya nitya vastu vivekah pariganyate ihamutra phalabhogah viragasthadanantaram shamadhi shatka sampattihi mumukshuttvamiti sphutam. Now, what are those qualifications he is pointing out clearly? People, before going to that word meaning, people are there, they think karma, actions, all rituals will give punya, that punya will give moksha. This is what people broadly, they have this idea generally. Yes, if I do good actions, I get punya. If I get punya, I go to Swargaloka. So going to Swargaloka is the ultimate. For that, this Purva Mimamsaka tells he quotes one sentence. He is not able to see me properly. Move this side. Amnayasya kriyarthatvat anarthakyam atadarthanam. Means, according to Purva Mimamsaka, Veda statement, whatever Veda says is vidhi nisheda. Idi pannu, idi pannada. Idida. Vedam anna idida. For according to him, amnayasya kriyarthatvad. Kriya. You have to do some action. Anarthakyam atadarthanam. If you don't do any action, the Veda will become redundant. Since Veda said, Swarga kamo edeta, aharaham sandhyam upaseta. So, idella action panna sollirukka Vedathila. Adu na pannala enna agum? It will become waste. Veda statement will become redundant. Therefore, lifelong I have to do karma. This person, Jaimini, quotes this in his Purva Mimamsa Grantha. So, they say, Adhato dharma jignasa. Do all your duties, they say. That is why the adhikari in that karma kanda is different, the adhikari in the Vedanta is entirely different. This is not relevant for a adhikari who comes to Vedanta. What he says, the karma kandin says, Ninga evvala Vedantathikku ponalum, எவ்வளோ வேதாந்தம் படித்தாலும் கூட நீ கர்ம பண்ணிட்டே தத்துவமசி சொல்லணும். தட் இஸ் வாட் ஹீ டெல்ஸ். யூ கோ ஆன் பர்ஃபார்மிங் ரிச்சுவல்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டே தத்துவமசி தத்துவமசி தத்துவமசின்னு குரு சொன்ன வாக்கியம் அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி சொல்லணும். யாகம் பண்ணிட்டே அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி சொல்லணும். ரிச்சுவல்ஸ் கூட அந்த மகா வாக்கியம் சொன்னாதான் அந்த மகா வாக்கியம் வில் கிவ் பலம். வித்தவுட் டூயிங் ஆக்ஷன் even Mahavakya will not work, he says. Therefore, you cannot leave karma at all. You have to do lifelong karma. Pannite irukkanum. Irundada unakku and Mahavakyam also will help you, he tells. What Siddhanti says, Siddhanti means Vedanti, says, no, it is not like that. The adhikari who is studying Vedanta is entirely different. And Vedanta asks, the end portion of Vedanta asks different qualifications for a mumukshu. It wants different qualifications. But Karma Kanda asks different qualifications from a person. So that it shows these two people are different. Eppadina, to do any yagam, first you must have black hair. That is your condition. You must be a householder. Karma Kanda tells, if you want to perform any ritual, so and so ritual, you must be below 40. Below 40 na hair black ah irukku nu ardham. Hair black ah irundada idu pannanum ni. Appo not only that, are you married? Householder only, these rituals must be done by that person alone. These are the qualifications Karma Kanda asks for that person. But Vedanta never asks, if you want to get wisdom, you must have black hair, you must have wife, or you must have husband. Vedanta never asks. So Vedanta asks different. You must have viveka, you must have vairagyam, you must have shamadhi shakta sampatti, you must have mumukshutvam desire. See the person, here Vedanta addressing one person with a different qualification, Vedanta expecting, Karma Kanda expecting another person with different qualifications. Therefore, these both are different. Therefore, in Vedanta, Karma Kanda never asks if any person is performing Somayagam or Sudarshana Homam, Patna Pandama, Niku Shamadhi, Shatka, Sampati, Irika. No, where asked? Are you having mind control? Then only you have to do Ganapati Homam and Engyo Sholale. Are you having Shama? Mind control, then only you have to perform this ritual. Engimu sholaliye. Are you married only? This asking. That shows that person is different, this person is different. Clear? Therefore, never compare a karma kandin in Vedanta. Clear there? So that is why, if you see the scientist Newton, when the apple fallen on his nose, immediately he started thinking, why it is falling down, why it has not gone up. Namma enna pannuvom, apple kadicha podunu saapidum. But see, the person Newton started thinking, it is different. His mind is ready to think why it is falling down only, why it is not going up. That means the earth must have the gravitational power, Shakti. Ellarku varudha, ethana mela apple vedradhu, ethana nama mela vedradhu. But are people getting this question? Are they getting this doubt? Why only Newton has got? That means he is ready to inquire into that. He is the fittest person for that inquiry. Not all people. Similarly, the person who discovered this penicillin, that means before the Newton discovering the gravitational force the earth is having, before Newton is discovering, is it there or not? It is there. Newton has discovered. Before Newton is discovering, the gravitational force is already there. Another example, the penicillin is discovered by this Alexandria, some person. How that penicillin, he understood, the bacteria is died. Because in that place, the bacteria fully died. He wondered how this bacteria died. Then he thought there is a fungus nearby. Because of that fungus, the bacteria fully dead. Then he got idea. Oh, fungus irunda, this bacteria will die. Therefore, to attack bacteria, we can create a fungus. So he discovered the penicillin with fungus, coconut fungus. Through that, they derived this penicillin. That means before he is discovering that penicillin, is there that principle of destroying the bacteria? That principle is there, was there or not? Was there. He has discovered, that's all. He has not invented. No one can invent anything in this creation. Every person can discover only. Removing the cover, that's all. Similarly, we are not going to invent the Atma or Brahman. We are discovering the Brahman, who is already there. That Ananda Swarupam Brahman, we are discovering. Removing the cover. That's all. Therefore, never apply this Karma Kanda principles, this Siddhanta and all here. Here Upanishad is addressing a person who wants wisdom, who wants to get knowledge. What knowledge? That knowledge which removes ignorance, which ignorance gives sorrow and worry. So therefore I don't want that ignorance. அதுதான் இங்க விஷயம் என்ன? I want to be free from ignorance. Why? This ignorance is giving sorrow. So the sorrow free wisdom I want. That wisdom says you are that Brahman. If you know, you discover that, you will get that. That's all. Here I don't want to go மூக்கு எங்க இருக்கன்னா இங்க போய் இப்படி எல்லாம் காமிச்சன மாதிரி மூக்கு எங்க இருக்க டைரக்ட் பிராப்தஸ்ய பிராப்திஹி என்ன பிராப்த வஸ்து இது பிரம்மன் I am Brahman is a பிராப்த வஸ்து. It is as though covered. Therefore, qualifications Upanishad asking, if you want this knowledge, have viveka, vairagya, shamadhi shatka sampatti, mumukshutvam. In the நாலு இருக்க, you enter in this program field. Wisdom program. இந்த wisdom புக் இருக்கும். என்ன wisdom இருக்குன்னு அந்த ஆத்ம wisdom கிடையாது. ஆத்ம ஞானம் கிடையாது. wisdom people are thinking world knowledge is wisdom. நீ எவ்வளவு படிச்சாலும் world knowledge it will never give satisfaction. Therefore here Shankaracharya tells in this Adau. Adau means in the beginning, first qualification is what? Viveka. Viveka means what is telling? Nitya anitya vastu vivekaha iti pariganyate. Pariganyate means considered. What is considered? Viveka means Nitya anitya vastu vivekaha. Nitya means eternal. Anitya means temporary. Vastu means an object. Viveka means discrimination. Viveka is nothing but entertaining the discriminative capacity about eternal and temporary, non-eternal. What is eternal? What is non-eternal? What is Shashvatam? What is Ashashvatam? இந்த பரிஞானம் இருக்கா? அது இருந்தா you are a viveki. எது டெம்பரரி எது பர்மனெண்ட் தெரியல, நான் சொல்ல போறேன். யூ டோன்ட் you need not struggle. நான் சொல்றேன் அது எது பர்மனெண்டோ எது impermanent, I am going to say that. You listen to me. So viveka means what? Nitya anitya vastu vivekaha iti pariganyate. Then viragaha means, second qualification is viragaha, dispassion. Dispassion means iha amutra phala bhoga viragaha. Iha means here. Amutra means there. There means where? Swarga. Swarga. Iha means here. Amutra means there. Swarga. Other than earth. Okay? Other than this loka, anywhere. Amutra. Phala. the result, phalam. Whatever the phalam I get either here or there. Bhoga means pleasure, enjoyment. Viragaha, dispassion, renunciation. Ishtam illamal irukkiradhu. Ragam, attachment. Raga means attachment. Viragaha means not having attachment to the pleasures of this world and that world. This world and this world, bhuloka. That world and swargaloka. So, adau nitya nitya vastu vivekaha tataha iha amutra phalavoga viragaha. Later, tadanantaram, third qualification. Shamadi shatka sampattihi. Shama adi. Shama means mind control. Adi means etc. Shatka means 6. There are 6. What are those 6? He is going to point out. Now, onnu solla venda, avare sollittar ellame. Chumma appadi padichite meaning sollite pola ellame vandadum. Shatka means 6. Sampattihi means virtues. So, these are the third one. Shamadi gunashalinaha means Shamadi shatka sampatti is the third qualification. Having the virtues like mind control, etc. Sampatti means for materialistic prosperity you require material wealth. Okay? Materialistic prosperity enna venum? Or veedu venum, or car venum. Adukapram etc. Vagaira, vagaira, vagaira. Na sollave venda. Illaya? Material wealth. Spiritual prosperity ku enna venum? Spiritual qualifications, wealth vendama? Idella spiritual wealth. What are the spiritual wealth? Not bank balance. Material prosperity ki bank balance, okay. But spiritual prosperity ki you require mind control, sense control, etc. You require the virtues. You require virtues. This is the spiritual wealth. That is material wealth. ஒரு மெட்டீரியல் ப்ராஸ்பரிட்டிக்கே இத்தனை வேணும் குவாலிஃபிகேஷன் சொல்லும் போது ஆஃபீஸ்க்கு எங்கேயாவது இன்டர்வியூக்கு போனால் வாட் தே ஆஸ்க் ஃபார் மெட்டீரியல் ப்ராஸ்பரிட்டி தேர் ஆஸ்க் சோ மெனி குவாலிஃபிகேஷன். அது படிச்சுட்டு இது படிச்சுட்டு என்ன குவாலிஃபிகேஷன் இருக்கு, என்ன எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருக்கான்னு கேட்பான். அது என்ன தெரியல, எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் தே ஆஸ்க். இஃப் தே கிவ் ஜாப் ஒன்லினா எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் வரும். வித்தவுட் கிவிங் த ஜாப் எல்லாரும் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் கேட்டால் ஹவு தி பர்சன் கெட்ஸ். அந்த மெட்டீரியல் ப்ராஸ்பரிட்டிக்கே இத்தனை குவாலிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் கேட்கும்போது ஸ்பிரிச்சுவல் பர்சூட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு, ஸ்பிரிச்சுவல் ப்ராஸ்பரிட்டிக்கு குவாலிஃபிகேஷன் வேண்டாமோ? கண்டிப்பாக வேணும். அதுதான் சம்பத்தி ஹியர். ஷமாதி ஷட்க சம்பத்தி ஹி தேர்ட் ஒன். தென் முமுக்ஷுத்வம் இதி ஸ்புடம். முமுக்ஷுத்வம் மீன்ஸ் டிசைர், மோக்தும் இச்சா. முமுக்ஷுத்வம் மோக்தும் అంటే ముచ్ ధాతు. ముచ్ మీన్స్ టు బి ఫ్రీ ఫ్రమ్, టు బి ఫ్రీ ఫ్రమ్ బాండేజ్, ఫ్రీ ఫ్రమ్ సారో, worry, limitation ellame. That is called much dhatu. Desire for moksha, to be free from, that is called moksha. Sputam means clearly, has pointed out, well said. It is has been mentioned. Sputam pariganyate means is reckoned clearly. It has been very clearly pointed out in our scriptures. Next shloka we will read. Now he is going to elaborate each qualification. நமக்கு தெரியாது இல்லையோ, பாருங்க டீச்சர்னா அப்படி இருக்கணும். விவேக, வைராகிய, முமுக்ஷுத்வம், ஷமா, ஷட்க சம்பத்தி அண்ணா என்ன. First he has given the brief meaning. Viveka means nitya anitya vastu vivekaha. என்ன புரியுறது? நித்தியம்னா என்ன, அனித்தியம்னா இன்னும் தெரியலையே சுவாமினி. அந்த விவேகமே கிடையாது. ஏதோ வந்துட்டோம், ஏதோ வந்துட்டோம். சாஸ்திரம் தெரியும், நீங்க கவலைப்பட வேண்டாம், நான் சொல்றேன். அது இருக்க இல்லையான்னு அப்புறம் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. விவேகம்னா என்ன, நித்யா அனித்ய வஸ்து விவேகம். அப்போ அது எலாபரேட்லி இஸ் எக்ஸ்பிளைனிங். We will read the 20th sloka. ब्रह्म सत्यं जगन्मिथ्या इत्येवं रूपो विनिश्चयः सोऽयं नित्यानित्यवस्तु विवेकः समुदाहृतः. What is Viveka? Here, Nityam Jagat Mithya. Brahman means Brahman. Whatever in the religion they say God, whatever they say in the religion God, in Vedanta we say as Brahman. That's all. Brahma Satyam. Satyam means real. Satyam. Satyam means speaking Satyam, truth adi kadiyadu. Speaking truth also Satyam. But that not that Satyam here. The Satyam means capital T you have to write. The truth that which exists all the three timings, past, future and present. That is called Satyam. Trikale yat tishtati tat Satyam. Whatever exists in three periods of time is called Satyam. அது இங்க சொல்லல. I am telling. Otherwise you take Satya Narayana. அந்த Satya Narayana கிடையாது. This Satyam is different. Brahma Satyam. Jagat Mithya. Jagat Mithya. Iti evam rupaha vinishchayaha. That Jagat is unreal. Mithya means unreal, false. ரெண்டு பொருள் இருக்கு உலகத்துல. என்னென்ன? பிரம்மன் இருக்கு, உலகம் இருக்கு. பிரம்மன் சத்தியம், உலகம் பொய். பொய் என்ன அர்த்தம்? பொய் என்ன இல்லைன்னு அர்த்தம். எது பொய்யோ அது இல்லைன்னு அர்த்தம். இருக்கிறது என்னப்போ? பிரம்மன் தான் இருக்கு. ஓவர் வேதாந்தா. You only said பொய் என்னது இருக்காது. ஸோ ஜெகத் இல்லை. அப்போ இருக்கிற மாதிரி தோன்றது நமக்கு. அவ்வளோதான். அது நம்ம ப்ராப்ளம். இட் இஸ் அவர் ப்ராப்ளம். வேதாந்தா ஹேஸ் ஃபினிஷ்ட் த ஹோல் வேதாந்தா ஓவர். பிரம்ம சத்தியம் ஜெகன் மித்யா. தட்ஸ் ஆல். ஏவம் இதி ஏவம். In this manner, iti means thus. Evam rupaha means of this nature. Rupaha means nature. Of this nature. What nature? Brahma Satyam. Satyam, Brahma. The nature of Brahman is Satyam, truth. The nature of world is unreal. The nature of Brahman is real. The nature of world is unreal. Evam rupaha. This is the nature. Evam rupaha of this nature. Soyam. Soyam means saha ayam. Saha ayam means such as this. Such as means whatever said above. Brahma Satyam Jagan Midya, such as this. This jnana. Knowing that Brahman is Satyam, knowing that world is unreal, Jagat Mithya, this, such as this understanding is called Nitya Anitya Vastu Vivekaha. That is called Nitya Anitya Vastu Vivekaha, the discriminative knowledge of real and unreal. Samudahritaha. Samudahritaha means samyak udahritaha. Samyak udahritaha means pointed out. Udahritaha means mentioned, stated well, said in the scriptures. Meaning Samudahritaha. Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya iti evam rupaha vinishchayaha. Another word, very important word. Vinishchayaha samyak udahritaha. Vinishchayaha means visheshena nishchayaha. Vinischayah. See, each word is very beautiful if you understand. Chinoti means to collect. Chinoti means to collect. Vichinoti. Nis, nis, and rendu upasarga irukka. Vi and nis, chinu dhatu. Vinischayah na intane irukka. Vi or upasarga irukka, ni or upasarga irukka, and chinu dhatu. Chinna na enna artham? Not this chinna. Chinna na to collect the ideas. Collecting ideas and removing all wrong ideas, holding on to the correct idea. That is called Vinischayah. By no other pramana you can negate. Everybody comes, Jagat Satya Manchana Nalaki. Ama, Avan Satya Man Cholrane Anna. Upon your knowledge is not definite knowledge. It is not Nischayamana knowledge. It is wavering knowledge. That's why Shankaracharya tells, Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya Vinischaya means a definite knowledge. No one can shake my knowledge by any pramana in this world. That is called Vinischaya. Entertaining that idea. What is that? Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya. Any person comes and tells also, this is fact, this is truth. There is no doubt in that. அந்த மாதிரி இருக்க conviction இருக்கணும். A Brahmajnani is one whose knowledge is so firm, Brahman alone is real. There is no doubt in that. அது நிச்சய ஞானம். பிரம்மனும் ரியல், வேர்ல்டு கூட ரியலே சுவாமினி. அது முடியாது. ஜெகத் மித்யான்னா மித்யா, that's all. Unreal and unreal. There is tomorrow another person, scientist comes and tells, no. Jagat is Satyam and Shana. Impossible. No person can come and say this world is real. Na bhuto na bhavishyati. Either in the past or in the present, in future, no intellect can come and establish this world is real. That's why Veda is pramanam. By any pramana, by any your research, நான் நாளைக்கு நல்ல ரிசர்ச் பண்ணி இந்த எப்படியாவது இந்த உலகம் நிஜமா நான் மாற்ற போறேன்னு, இம்பாசிபிள். அதுதான் நிச்சய ஞானம். அந்த நிச்சய ஞானம் வரைக்கும் நான் படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கணும் சாஸ்திரம். நமக்கு இப்ப என்ன தனது ஜெகத்து தெரியறது சுவாமின்னு அன்றியன் எப்படி சொல்றேன்னு, அப்படி நமக்கு தெரியறது என்ன பண்றது? We are thinking it is real. A wise person is one who sees the whole world is an aberration. It is only your aberration. Only your imagination. Kalpana ida. Satyama adula reality kadiyadu. At least curiosity sekavadu padikalam illiyo. How Veda can say a tangible universe which is very, very real and exploiting me, threatening me and doing lot of mischievous with my life, it's playing with me. How Veda can come and say Mithya? Either you are ready to disprove Veda's statement or accept. Either adu rendu pannalam illiyo. Enna agum with curiosity if I study, whether I am going to accept Veda, along with Veda, or if I win over Veda, I can establish Jagat is Satyam. Edo onnu pannalame. Panna. If any statement comes, I should not accept just like that. With Shraddha, there is something truth in this. எப்படி மித்யான்னு சொல்ல முடிகிறது வேதாக்கு? All wise people are also telling, இதுல ஏதோ இருக்கு, some தகராறு. either இங்க தகராறு இருக்கலாம், அங்கேயாவது தகராறு இருக்கலாம். அங்க தகராறு இருக்கிறதுக்கு சான்சஸ் கிடையாது. இது ரெவலேஷன்ஸ் ஆஃப் லார்ட். ஓகே, இது செகண்ட் ஸ்டெப். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கியூரியாசிட்டி சேக்காக என்டர் பண்ணணும். அதுல பூந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணணும்? எய்தர் அதுல ஏதாவது தகராறு இருக்கணும், இல்லைன்னா இங்க தகராறு இருக்கணும். செகண்ட் ஸ்டெப். தேர்ட் ஸ்டெப் என்னன்னா, நோ அங்க தகராறு இருக்கிறதுக்கு சான்சஸ் கிடையாது. அது வேதம், வேதத்தினுடைய சாரம். வேதா the revelation of Lord. There must be, there is not any fallacy in that. It cannot be there. Fallacy cannot be there. That means there is something wrong in my understanding. How can I withstand with this understanding, wrong understanding? Let me take this as a challenge. Why something wrong in my intellect? Why I am thinking wrongly? Let myself correct my notion. புரியுறதா? இதுதான் இன்டலெக்சுவல் ஆனெஸ்டி. இன்டலெக்சுவல் ஆனெஸ்டின்னா இப்படி, அதுதான் நித்யானித்ய வஸ்து விவேகம். என்னது? பிரம்மன் அலோன் இஸ் சத்தியம், ஜகத் இது மித்யா. வாட் இஸ் பிரம்மன், வாட் இஸ் ஜகத்? That is, he is going to say what is Brahman, what is Jagat also. Next sloka we will read. Tadvairagya jihasa yadarshana shravanadibhihi yadarshana shravanadibhihi देहादि ब्रह्म पर्यन्ते अनित्ये भोगवस्तुनि. What is vairagyam? Viragam. Viragasya bhavaha vairagyam. What is dispassion? Dispassion means it says dehadi brahma paryante. See the second line, dehadi brahma paryante. Deha means this body, dehadi means this body, etc. Whatever is there in this whole creation, from starting from your body, physical body, brahma paryante. Brahma means here Chaturmukha Brahma, Hiranyagarbha Paryantam, up to that. Paryantam means up to Brahmaji. From beginning from this body onwards, up to the Brahmaji who lives 2000 Chaturyugas. Brahmaji. So up to that, या दर्शन श्रवणादिभिः. दर्शन श्रवणादिभिः means whatever, darshan means seeing, whatever you see, whatever you listen, whatever you see, whatever you listen, darshanam shravanam. Shravanadibihi, by shravanadibihi means by listening or hearing or seeing anything from this body onwards to that Brahman. Anitye bhoga vastuni. Anitya means temporary. Bhoga vastuni means that objects which are giving pleasure or enjoyment to you by seeing or by listening, whatever you are getting, that enjoyment. Jihasa, ya jihasa, whatever the giving up mind you are having, you are not interested. Jihasa, ha dhatu, to give up. Jihasa means to give up. Jihasa, ya jihasa means that desire to give up. That desire to give up, bhogavastuni, in the objects of enjoyment. Bhogavastuni, ya jihasa, the desire to give up, that is called vairagyam. That is called vairagyam. Darshana shravanadibihi means attained through seeing, hearing, etc. Whatever the desire you want to give up, this either this pleasure or that pleasure, you don't want any pleasure from this body onward. That means you don't desire these body pleasures or that Brahmaji, other lokas pleasures also you like to give up. You don't want. அதுக்கு மனசுல இச்சையே இருக்காது, டிசைரே இல்லை, இல்லையோ? அதுதான் வைராக்கியம். எனக்கு வைராக்கியம் இல்லையே சுவாமின்னு. வைராக்கியம் இல்லைன்னா there is one பிரகரணம் கால் தேக நிந்தா பிரகரணம். தேக நிந்தான்னு அந்த புக்கு படித்தாலே நமக்கு வைராக்கியம் வந்துடும். It always criticizes about the body. Deha ninda pandradhu. In this body is what type of body is this body? And so this body is full of malam. Every part you see dirty. ஏதோ பகவான் ஸ்கின் கொடுத்துருக்காரு, இல்லைன்னா காக்கா எல்லாம் வந்து கொஞ்சம் கொடுத்துடும். பெக் யுவர் பாடினா மாம்சம் ஃப்ளஷ் தானே, ஃப்ளஷ் அண்ட் பிளட். வைராக்கியம் கிரியேட் பண்ணோன்னா எனக்கு பயம். அந்த மாதிரி ஸ்லோகம் எல்லாம் சொல்ல நீங்கள் கிளாஸ் வரமாட்டாளோ என்ன ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல சொல்ல வேண்டிய அவசியம் தான். இந்த வைராக்கியம் கிரியேட் பண்ணலன்னா வேதாந்தம் புரியாது. இன்னும் வேதாந்தத்துக்கு வரணும்னா வைராக்கியம் வேணும். அதுக்கு தான் என்ன சொல்லுவோம்னா நல்லா கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் அப்பப்போ சொல்லணும். இந்த பாடியை பார்த்து போன்ஸ் வெளியில் பார்த்துட்டோன்னா அமங்கலம். ஏதாவது அஸ்தி வெளியில் பார்த்துட்டோன்னா போன் எல்லாமே பார்க்காதே தொடாதே சொல்லுவான். இந்த பாடியில் எத்தனை போன்ஸ் இருக்கு? த ஹோல் பாடி ஸ்கெலிட்டன் பார்க்கறதுக்கு பயம் நமக்கு. பட் த ஹோல் பாடி இஸ் ஸ்டாண்டிங் ஆன் வாட்? போன்ஸ் on. The whole asti panjaram skeleton full. I am carrying so many bones in me. Not only that, you see the nail keela elunda thodade nu sollum, but I am putting nail polish here. As long it is in my body, I give importance. The moment it go out, it is a ashaucham. Not only that, hair தலை மேல இருக்கிறவனுக்கு ஆஹா என்னோட முடி எந்த ஹெயர் ஆயில போட்டு என்னென்னமா பண்றான் ஹெயருக்கு, அதே கீழே விழுந்ததுன்னா தொடாதேன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. That's why people, the hair base comes in the food also, they never touch the food because it is ashaucham. அதெல்லாம் இங்க வச்சுட்டு கேரி பண்றோம். So see that how the person carrying whole fleshy things, all impurities are carrying. We are carrying everything. மல பாண்டவனே சொல்லியிருக்கான். இது வந்து மல பாண்டம், that which is carrying all impurities. நீங்க எவ்வளவு இன்டிமேட் போட்டாலும் வெளியில எவ்வளவு பட்டு சாரி கட்டினாலும் you cannot hide, you cannot remove these impurities totally because its nature is like that. இதுதான் இதை பார்த்துட்டு உலகம்ல இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே அப்படிதான், எல்லாம் அழுக்குதான். That is why Shastra tells, see the dosha in that. This is called viragam, vairagyam. So dehadi brahma paryantam, not only here or anywhere, everywhere, the whole jagat, not only in this jagat, even other lokas also. அங்கே கூட இதே கண்டிஷன் தான், இதே கண்டிஷன். Next sloka we will read. Sloka number 22. Virajya vishaya vrata dosha drishtya muhurmuhu स्वलक्ष्ये नियता वस्थाम् मनसशम उच्यते. Kalidasa tells, see, the sharira undi malabhanda ani sonna ani cheppi, you need not hate the body, you need not hate this. You can take care of your body. Shariramadhyam khalu dharma sadhanam ani sollirukar. All dharma purusharthas to acquire this body is a sadhanam. You take care of this body. See, you are using a pen. You are using a pen. Use the pen. Take care of the pen. But are you having any attachment towards that pen? No. Similarly, this body is also like a pen. Use it, take care of it. You don't have any attachment towards it. Adida vendaamnu sonnal thavara people misunderstand this. ரொம்ப attachment irundha, this is an obstacle, obstruction in the life. That's why they always complain. This itself is a problem, that itself world is a problem, world is trapping me, this body is trapping me, all desires are there, lot of impurities are there. This complaint, immature people will do these complaints. Immature people always do complaints. What? I have a lot of limitations. I am, these and all don't come to us, People think, I'm useless fellow and think they are happy in that also. Always saying to themselves, I am a useless fellow. They are happy with that. It is not really they are telling, it is an escapism. Escaping from the sadhanas. Shastra never accept this. Take care of your body and channelize your mind. Try to get Parama Purushartha. Never hate the body, never hate the world. You see the dosha, that is what he is going to say in the next verse. Virajya Vishaya Vrata Dosha Drishtya Muhur Muhuhu Manasaha Swalakshye Niyatavastha. Manasaha means of the mind. Keep the mind on Swalakshe, in one's own goal, in its goal. Swalaksham means in its own goal. Niyatavastha, abiding the mind in its own goal. Manasaha niyatavastha swalakshen. Niyatavastha means abiding the mind in Saguna Ishware. Abiding the mind in Saguna Ishware. Swalakshe means in its own goal. What is its goal? Moksha. Manasyanuடைய goal என்ன? Paramatma Paraprapti. Ishwaran adayirada prapti. That knowing that truth, Ishvara, is the goal. It's Swalakshe. What you have to do? Vishaya Vrata. Vishaya Vrata means a group of objects. Vishaya means varieties of objects or group of objects. Dosha Drishtya Virajya. Dosha Drishtya Virajya means, dosha means here is not a defect. Dosha means seeing the limitation of any object in the world. From body, this body, my own body onwards, up to Brahma Paryantam, Brahmaji Paryantam, seeing the limitations of everything. Seeing the limitations of everything and keeping the mind in that. Keeping the mind in its goal, muhur muhu, again and again. Again and again. That means not having a subjectivity towards them. Develop objectivity. ஏதோ பொருள் பார்க்கும்போது எப்படி இருக்க ஆப்ஜெக்ட் மாதிரி இது பார்க்கணும் உடம்பு கூட. That is the meaning of this. The virajya, having detached from that. Why it is called Vishayahana? Vishaya Vratam అని చెన్నది ఎందుకన్నా, Vishaya is that, any object is that, Vishnoti iti Vishayaha. So every word if you derive, it gives the meaning. Vishinoti means that which binds. Vishinoti means that which binds. Iti Vishayaha. The body is also an object. That's why it binds us. No? Body binds me. Mind will bind me. Son will bind me. Daughter will bind me. House will bind me. Yedi bind panda. Ellame binds the person. Binding means a tying. Your mind physically, mentally, that which ties you, binds you. That is called Vishayaha. That is called Vishayaha. So that Vishayaha, Virajya. Muhur muhu, and again you must see the limitations of Darshanena Vairagyam and Rundum Vidamad Vairagyam Adailam. Vairagyame Varamatingra Swamini and Vairagyam Adayanamana Darshanena, by seeing the people, see the old people, oh, old age and I put ayo, itna problem irukuma, Palella Poiduma, Kandu Pakamadi, the Patri Terinjala Milio Darshanena. Then Purana Shravanena. Read Puranas. You can understand how many types of narakams are there. I will tell you one day. 24 hundreds thousands இருக்க நரகம். எந்தெந்த நரக்கம் எப்படி எப்படி இருக்கும், எந்த பாவம் பண்ணா எங்கெங்க போவா, இதெல்லாம் சொல்லியிருக்கு. அதெல்லாம் என்னென்ன தவறு பண்ணா எந்தெந்த மாதிரி பனிஷ்மெண்ட், இதெல்லாம் சித்திரகுப்தன் கிட்ட இருக்கு. So those punishments in Naraka is so that limitations. Therefore Purana Shravanena Adibihi means here and Vishaya previous one is Shravanadibihi and Adibihi means Purana Shravana you can take. Here also the Dosha Darshanam is seeing the limitation through the Parikshalokan Karmachitan Brahmano Nirveda Mayana. By Pariksha, by ascertaining, by seeing, by analyzing, by inquiring into that. கஷ்டப்படும் போது எல்லாரும் பார்க்கும்போது தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். How the money has got limitation. Money can give a book, but money cannot make you to read. இது limitation தானே. What we say, money will give everything. யார் சொன்ன everything money gives? So money will buy, you know, all these things. Buy gives a nice bed. You can buy a foam bed. But money, that bed cannot guarantee good sleep. உன்ன இருக்கிற ஸ்லீப் கூட போயிடும் இல்லையா? Therefore, the more you have possessed, the more you have problems. The more you possess, more you have problems. That is why here it says, Niyatavastha. That is called Shamaha Manasaha. That the abiding the mind in its own goal by detaching its, by seeing the dosha in the world, in all objects, and keeping the mind in its own goal is called Shamaha. That is called Shama, mind control. Mind eppadi? Oh mind, your goal is to get Parama Purushartha, channelizing the mind and Virajyan, by detaching all this. Muhurmuhu. ராகா அட்டாச் ஏன் வருது, அட்டாச்மெண்ட் ஏன் வருதுன்னு காரணம் தெரியுமோ? சொல்லட்டுமா? அட்டாச்மெண்ட் வருது காரணம் என்ன? விஷயே சுகஹேதுத்வ புத்தி, இதுதான் அட்டாச்மெண்ட் காரணம். இப்போ நம்ம விராகம் டெவலப் பண்ணணும், இந்த ராகம்க்கு வி ஜாயின் பண்ணணும். நமக்கு என்ன ராகம் தான் இருக்க. சாஸ்திரா டெல்ஸ், நீ டிவி யூ ஆர் டெல்லிங், சாஸ்திரா கிவ்ஸ் டிஃபரெண்ட் டெஃபினேஷன் டு டிவி. தலை வலி, டி என்ன தலை, வி என்ன வலி, தலைவலி இஸ் கால்டு டிவி. இதுதான் முகுர்முகு பார்க்கணும். Again you must see the limitations of whatever you possess. Really it gives தலைவலி only. சும்மா சொல்லல, நீங்க கொஞ்ச நேரம் பார்த்து பாருங்க, தலைவலி தான் வரும். அப்புறம் நெக்ஸ்ட் டே கண்ணாடி வரும். So every பொருள், வீடு, வாசனை, வெஹிக்கிள், anything you buy, anything you have, இந்த பாடி சொல்லவே வேண்டாம் எத்தனை ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் கொடுக்கறதுன்னு. இதெல்லாம் seeing the limitation. So முகுர்முகு விரஜ்ய விஷயே சுக ஹேதுத்வ புத்தி. இந்த விஷயம், இந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் இதுதான் சுகத்துக்கு எனக்கு காரணம் நினைக்கிறது தான் ராகம், இதுதான் அட்டாச்மெண்ட். அந்த அது தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு யூ ஹேவ் டு சேனலைஸ் யுவர் மைண்ட் டுவர்ட்ஸ் தட் டைரக்ஷன், கண்ட்ரோல் த மைண்ட் ஃப்ரம் ஆல் விஷயாஸ். ஏன் அங்கே போகிற எல்லாம் ஹேவிங் லிமிட்டேஷன்ஸ், போகாதேன்னு சொல்லணும். இதுதான் ஷமா. ஆதி எக்ஸெட்ரா அது அப்புறம் பார்ப்போம். we'll see later. இன்னும் நிறைய இருக்கு. we'll see more in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari